I'm trading Forex with less than $1,000. This is where my account is sitting at right now. Can you see that? Yep. I started with the Thou Wow. Don't get me wrong. I started with the Thou Wow, but I'm taking some lumps. I'm taking some bruises. I'm in probation right now until I get out of my $1,000. So until then, I won't be adding any more money to this account. The lesson for today, ladies and gentlemen, the lesson for today, what I learned today is February 17th, 26. The lesson for today is one, don't sleep on trades. If you see this one, I was leveled out right here. Those are my levels. I was waiting for this indication. I fell asleep. What time is this? 10 o'clock. I was so tired from learning all this stuff, man, just studying. And I fell asleep. It was the indication, the correction. And I could have taken this one to the moon, but that's okay. Ball up top. Another one, AUD CHF. This one has been messing with me because I was awake just watching this one. I was watching this one. This was February. This was 2 days ago. I was just watching this one. And I was thinking this indication. And I felt so confident. This indication. This is the indication and it's coming down. It's the indication and it's coming. And it's still indicating. I was thinking this was the whole indication. And this was the correction. Which technically I'm not wrong. But where I would have wanted to get in was here. Indicate correct. Take it to the 10 op of this one. But I'm shooting for the moon, baby. And that's okay. Because ball up top. Look, it gave me my ball right here up top. Because I was going to get back in, right? It indicated above these levels. These were the levels that situated. Indicated above these levels. And it indicated, corrected, could have gotten in right here. Target right here. And it took it exactly where the target was. Because following structure all the way, this is my true target. And I slept on this one. I wasn't literally asleep, but I was so busy today that it played off right in front of my eyes. I literally looked. This is also the lesson. Ladies, gentlemen, this is also the lesson. You got to wait for that market. For this one, this happened 9 a.m. This was all lollygagging until 9 a.m. You saw that momentum? That would have been a trade right there. That's the trade right there. That's the trade right there. Done for the day. Wait for that momentum in the market. When was this one? This was London market. Yep. 1-4. That's the trade right there. Right there. Euro USD, I was turned off by Euro USD, but I'm back onto it. I learned with Euro USD right here. From the beginning of January of 2026, I taught myself, I was studying, shout out Trades by Sai. I was studying, and I felt like I graduated from self-study right where this happened, right here, okay? Right where this happened, but I was following this trend down. Now I was looking for sells. So when it indicated I was waiting for a correction downside for sells, I had my blinders on, only looking at sells, that I wasn't looking at the bigger picture, that we were in buys, and I could have gotten in and taken this bad boy to the moon. But that's okay. Ball up top. Because now this is a retracement. We're looking for sells right now, currently. Take out some of this money. I see Munyon on the floor. We're going to pick some of that Munyon up, and then we'll go back into buys. Potentially, maybe. You never know. Because, the markets, she a cold one. All right. NZDJPY. I'm also looking at this one because structure is showing me bullish. And I'm creating level right here. Check this out. Creating level right here. This was another one. It indicated, this was today, right in front of my face at 2 o'clock. It indicated right here, broke this level, indicated corrected right above this level. I would have gotten in to target here, but it would have taken me to the moon. That's okay. Ball up top. We'll catch it on the next one. But right now it's building structure, and that's nice that it's respecting the structure right here, respecting these boundaries. Except for this, that was some. I don't know what this is, y'all. This right here, I don't know what that means. It happened to me in the 5-minute when I was watching AUD CHF today, looking for an entry. I was looking for an entry right here, and it did the same mumbo jumbo. I'm still figuring that out. But I'm waiting for an indication above these levels. So I'm waiting for NZDJPY to holler at your boy. Until then, I'm taking this 600 to a million. I'm trading right now Forex with less than $1,000. Less than a thou wow. I started with a thou wow. Right now we at 600. That's okay. Ball up top, baby. Ball up top.